Hey everybody, excuse my voice. I think I am getting sick or I am having really bad allergies right now because everything is blooming in Tennessee. So excuse my voice if it does sound a little choppy, weird, deep. I am sorry, but I really wanted to film this Jeffree Star's Blue Blood because I actually want to wear it to work today. And I thought, why not share it with you guys? This was $52. It took me almost a week and a half to get it because his launch, and plus everything that was going on with him with his theft problem. So it took me about a week and a half to get this. So this is what the packaging sleeve looks like. It is just blue, obviously, and then back here just talks all about the ingredients, all his social medias and all that stuff. This is what the side of it looks like. Super cute. And then let's open this bad boy. So when you open it up, it just looks like this. And there is the Blue Blood palette, you guys. Alright. So this is what the actual palette looks like. So it is more of like a baby blue instead of the sleeve. And it actually looks like a coffin, which is pretty cool. And then off to the side, it has this little buckle right here to keep it closed. And then this, once again, I will let you guys see. Alright. And now it's time to open this beauty. Alright, so obviously you have the mirror, and then here is the shades. Very gorgeous. So the first shade is Colin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Minty, Crystal Flesh, I'm Cold, Untouchable, Priceless, Power, Blue Blood, Deceased, Ice Tray, Blue Monday, Flourishing, Wealthy, Celebrity Skin, which I actually like, Entitled, Ocean Ice, Cremated, and Undertaker. And then these last four right here, they have like little designs in them. So super cute, you guys. So let's go ahead. I'm going to be doing a makeup look using this palette, and I'm just going to be creative right here. I don't know what I'm going to end up doing, but we're going to do it. So first I'm just going in with my NYX eye primer just so we can have our eyes popping. Right, so the first shade I'm going in with is Celebrity Skin. And I'm going to be using that as my base color. So we should be looking like this. This eye I know is a little bit more choppier because I didn't let it dry. But I just wanted a little bit of a darkness underneath all the blue that I'm going to be going in with. So the next color that I'm going to go in with is, I am going in with, I think I'm going to go in with Blue Blood. And I'm actually going to apply this on the crease of my eyelid. The next color I'm going in with is going to be Deceased, and I'm actually going to apply that like right here because I am going to want to do a cut crease. So I am putting Deceased in the outer corner of my eye. Going in with CoverGirl, we're going to do a cut crease. Flourishing in my cut crease. I just think that would be, or actually, you know what, I think I'm going to go in with Entitled just for the simple fact because it's glittery and all that stuff, and I like glittery and like creases looks, so that's what I'm doing, is going in Entitled. And then what I'm going to do is bring Entitled in a little bit. Next, what I'm doing is, before I take the eyeliner off, is I'm going back in with Blue Blood. And I'm just going to make sure that everything looks blended. Alright, so now we're going in with some eyeliner. I'm just going in with whatever is here. Good with that, I'm going to, before I apply my actual eyeliner to my waterline, I actually like to go in underneath my eye before I apply it. I just feel like it makes it more choppy looking because I'm actually bringing like the eyeliner down into my eye. So I'm going in with probably, we'll go in with Blue Blood again, and we'll just apply that underneath the rest of the eye that I didn't do. Going in with some black eyeliner. This is NYC City Proof 24/7. So now I'm going in with my mascara, Better Than Sex, and we all know what to do with mascara. Alright, you guys, so we are officially done applying the Blue Blood palette. I am deceased. Legit. Gorgeous ass colors. I can't get past. I actually was really scared. Like, I was intimidated by this palette because I'm like, girl, can I pull off blues? Can I pull off these crazy colors? And I'm actually loving this on me. Like, I guess you just really would never know unless you really tried it. So if you guys are wondering what's on my lips, I just have this lipstick that I picked up at Walmart. It is just a extremely nude, and I believe it is Maybelline. Yes, it's Maybelline, and it's just extremely nude lipstick. That's what I decided to go with because I didn't really want my eye or my lips to take away from my eyes. Some people like that. Hey, that's your preference. But yes, you guys, I am extremely blown away by this gorgeous palette. Let me know what you guys think of this makeup look. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you soon in my next video. You guys rock. You're beautiful. Don't let anybody else tell you otherwise. And as always, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost to 500 subscribers. Woo woo! I know it might not seem like a lot, but that is a lot for me. So yes, you guys, I'll see you soon.